Okay, we're going to do a lesson today on geometry, which is a form of math. We're going to work on some shapes. Okay, we're going to play a game first. Our game is called thumbs up or thumbs down. I'm going to show you a shape. I'm going to name the shape, and you give me a thumbs up if it's right, and a thumbs down if it's wrong, okay? Here's our first shape. This is a circle. This shape is a square. Which one? Thumbs up. Good job. This shape is a triangle. Let's see, this shape is a circle. Thumbs up or down? Down. That's right. Okay, so now I'm going to show you a little video. It's going to help us look and see what 2D shapes are. Do you know what a 2D shape is? So, what is a 2D shape?
This is a 2D shape.
What is a 2D shape? What's the definition? What does it mean? 2D shapes are?
Flat.
Yeah, they are flat.
3D shapes are not.
They're solid, aren't they? Yeah. Okay. So we're going to show a short little video real fast. You can go ahead and put those down. And I'm going to let you play with those in just a minute. But watch this video. In this video, this teacher and a couple students are going to work on creating new shapes out of old shapes, which will give you an idea.
Today on No Words, we'll learn how to put together 2D shapes to make new shapes.
Did you see what she just did?
We'll also learn how to make 3D shapes from 2D shapes.
See that 3D shape?
And we'll explore how this knowledge can help us do origami, make a quilt for our class, and win a pizza making challenge.
Number explorers.
Can I fix my teeth?
If you need to.
Whenever I do this, it means I need to
Just kind of pay attention.
Done. Hey, Madeline. Hey, Omar. Hey, Adesina. Instructions say if I fold up today, I'll show you how we can make new shapes from existing ones.
That's what we're going to work on today.
Before we get started, let's review some of the flat shapes we already know.
Let's
First,
review.
what shape is this?
That's what we just did.
That's a circle because it has a round shape with no sides or corners.
Did you hear
That's
that?
right. And who remembers what this shape is?
What is it?
That's a triangle because it has 3 sides.
Correct. And how about this shape?
That's a rectangle which has 4 sides and 4 square corners.
We're on a roll. How about this one?
That's a special type of rectangle called a square,
Square.
which has 4 sides, 4 square corners, and all the sides are the same length.
Great. And how about this last shape?
That's a hexagon because it has 6 sides.
Nice job. If you haven't learned about these shapes before, check out our video called Intro to 2D Shapes. In today's lesson, we'll learn how to put shapes together to make new ones.
We're going to do that next. That's going to be our task. So we're
We
going to
are
let her give
about
us
to
some
have a
examples
pizza
first.
making challenge.
We're going to have a pizza challenge. What shapes are those pizzas?
Yes, I accept your challenge.
Well, your challenge is to make new shapes from these specially cut
Look at
pizza
those
slices.
pizza shapes. What
By
are
the
they?
way, what shapes
Huh?
are
What
these
shape are
slices?
those?
These pizza slices
It's
are triangles because they have 3
triangle.
Right.
Because there's
These
how
are
many sides?
special math pizza
3.
slices because all 3 of their sides
And
are
then the
straight.
top one is
Madeline, I challenge you to use
I
these
couldn't see
slices
the list.
to make a square.
Oh, how is she going to make a square of triangles?
I know. She needs one more.
Do you usually see a pizza that's the shape of a square, or what shape is a pizza usually?
It's a square because it has
It's usually a circle one with a triangle.
Yeah, and
But
then you
I-
cut the slices into triangles. Yeah.
And all the
Yeah, but I
sides
always
are
have a
equal length.
square pizza at school, rectangle pizza.
Yeah,
Omar,
I remember
why
that
don't
too.
you try to use these pizza slices?
What do you think he's going to make out of them?
A rectangle.
Challenge accepted.
He's going to make a rectangle. How many pieces, how many triangles is he going to need?
He's going to need all of them.
He's going to need 4 of them, aren't they? So it looks like he made 1 square.
Mm-hmm.
He's going to put those together. Now he's got a big rectangle.
My pizza is made up of 4 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which come together to make a rectangle. I know it's a rectangle because there are 4 sides.
2 short and 2.
No.
And 4 square corners.
How many corners?
4.
4.
When is
Mm-mm.
So, did we complete the challenge?
Yes,
You did. Now it's your turn to complete a challenge. Are you ready? We're going to do some task cards. Have a seat. Okay, we're going to use our shapes here. I see that we have lots of shapes. We have lots of different size triangles. We have rectangles and big rectangles. I mean squares.
Oh, I know.
And little rectangles, right?
Mm-hmm. I know what I can make.
Okay, well let's see. Let's look at our task card first, and then I'm going to let you create some of your own. Okay? So, our task today says use how many?
2
2 what?
squares.
2 squares to build a new shape. You pick 2 squares and show me a new shape that you can make out of those 2 squares.
Big or small?
Whichever.
Okay.
You get to pick.
Can they both be different?
You mean different colors?
Then like
No.
this.
What does it say?
2
Use 2 squares to make a new shape. If you use a big one and a little one, is that going to make a new shape?
Okay.
No, probably not. You're right. You probably have to use the same size. Okay, so you have 2 squares. You found 2 big squares. What is your new shape you're making?
A triangle.
Triangle has 3 sides. I only see 2
Oh, yeah.
sides. 1, 2. Where's the bottom?
Ooh. You said it
But
was
I said you need 2. You can only use 2. So what could you make out of the 2?
a rectangle.
A rectangle. Yeah.
I can make this too.
That's not a shape.
Nope.
Okay, let's try another one.
I need
But
to
good
fix my
job
tooth.
exploring that.
I need to fix my tooth real quick. Okay.
Okay, now let's try this task one. This says use how many
2 triangles.
to build a new shape? We're going to use 2 triangles to build a new
Like
shape.
this?
I don't know. You tell me. Which triangle shape do you want to use to make a new shape? Remember, we're creating a new shape, and you can only use 2 triangles.
Nope. That looks like
Yeah,
bundle.
that's probably not the right one to make a new shape with.
No, because that was
They're different
bundle.
sizes, aren't they?
Mm-hmm.
So maybe you should use 2 that are the same size. And then make a new shape out of those 2. And you made a
Diamond.
diamond. Nice. Good job. Okay, now we're going to let you do some. Okay? Sit down. Which ones do you, what shapes do you want to make? What should we make? Do you want to use these cards? What happens if you have, what do you think?
3 triangles.
You want to use 3 triangles and see if you can make a new shape?
Actually, no. Oh, I can make a cube.
You want to make a cube?
Uh-huh.
Okay. I hope we got enough shapes.
We
But
do.
I bet you can use a whole bunch of different shapes to make a big shape. A cube, huh?
Mm-hmm.
getting it. Okay, now tell me, how many big squares did you use?
4.
For how many little squares did you use?
8.
8. Okay, so we know that this is a 2D shape, right? Because it's flat. This now becomes a
3D shape.
Yeah, because it's now a solid shape, isn't it? Yeah, nice.
Can I fix my tooth?